In my previous video, I share with you what is a computer and how it applies in the field of accounting and what are the important areas where its application is very essential. Let's discuss the process of computerized accounting. Dear students, as I told you that the process of accounting is the same. That is recording of the transaction, its classification, its summarization, and preparation of the financial statements and getting the financial results. Same way here, when we apply the computers in the field of accounting, that is known as the computerized accounting, but the basic process will remain same. That is, there will be the input which is given to the computer. It automatically processes this with the help of the programs or instructions, and then we will get the output. Say here, what the input is there? Input is here means that check number may be given, receipts may be given, debit notes detail may be given, credit note details, invoices. Means that we would have give the certain input that simply you could call the recording of the business transactions. On the basis of the recording of the transaction and the information which is given to the computer, computer itself process it. Process it means that it classify the transactions, it summarize the transactions, it post into the respective ledger accounts relating to their transactions, and finally with reference to the output, it gives us the results with the help of the preparation of various financial statements like trading profit loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, funds flow statement, comparative statements, and the various types of the reports which are required by the various users of the accounting. So this way you could understand that the process is same, but it is done under computerized accounting system with the help of the computers. Now we will discuss the features of computerized accounting system. Very simple, that it is fast means that it is quick. It is powerful means that it very quickly gives us the result. It is simple and integrated also. Simple means very easily that once you give the basic recording of the transactions, automatically everything is done by the computer. And it is integrated means all the components, parts of the accounting process, they all are integrated, associated with each other, that it has the complete visibility, enhanced user experience. On the monitor, on the screen, you can get the detailed visibility of all the information which you had entered and what output you will get. It results to the accuracy as the feature or advantage of computer is. Its speed is very high. Its scalability means it works at very high scale. Power is means that it's strong power, that it works in very effective manner. Improved business performance, automatically all the reports, all the detailed information which is prepared through the accounting computerized accounting system, it improves the business performance, its goodwill, its image. Then quick decision making can be undertaken and complete reliability can be taken. Means complete faith could be undertaken on the basis of the information which is generated through the computerized accounting system. Now, what is the difference between manual accounting system and computerized accounting system? Dear students, at the onset I told you that the process method that remains same, because accounting is based upon the certain accounting principles and concept. All the principles, concepts, conventions, they are also to be followed while you prepare the statements or while you prepare the account through the computer. But here the only difference is there that all these steps and all the work is done with the help of the computer, but the basic instructions, basic principles, basic concepts, they remain same. And under the computerized accounting system, it also works on the same parameters as it works with reference to the manual accounting system. That means the accounting system which is done by the persons without the help of the computer. Now, same way, what the difference lies? Recording of transaction, in manual it is recorded manually, in computerized system it is recorded through computer. Data should also be entered in the computer. Classification and processing of data done manually and through the computer. Then data storage, we could also have the record in manual accounting system, for the transactions and the other details. Same way we had also the record under the computerized accounting system. Then we would also have the reporting, means output, the result which is generated. Again, there is the accuracy which remains there. Then lesser paperwork. Definitely with reference to the computerized accounting system, there is less paperwork as compared to the manual accounting system. Then codification of data. Codification of data here means that data being signified as per certain code, that code number 1, code number 2, or with reference to any other way the code or classification is to be done. Data can be shared with the help of the computer with the other concern, or with the parent and the subsidiary concern, or the mother sister concerns. And then adjusting entries which are required to be made, that is transfer entries, closing entries, opening entry, adjusting entry, they are also to be done through the computer under the computerized accounting system. Now, what the process or steps in the computerized financial accounting system is, again they are very simple. Planning and opening of an accounting system, then entering of data coding, bank reconciliation, posting, printing of trial balance, finalization of accounts. See, you would find the same way as we do in case of the manual accounting system, that we record the transactions, we classify them, we summarize them, and then we depict them for the purpose of getting the financial results or output. Same way here, when you have to start the computerized accounting system, you have to plan at the beginning, first step, that how you will plan and open an accounting system. Then you have to enter the data, that is the transactions which have been recorded. Then you have to codify that under which account they've been transferred by the name of that. Then you prepare the bank reconciliation, that is the matching of the cash book and passbook balances, and then posting in the various ledgers, printing of the trial balance, finalization of the accounts. But under the computerized financial accounting system, all these is to be done through the computer, except the first two steps where you have to plan and open or set up a computerized accounting system. You have to enter the data, and then automatically rest of the work will done by the computer, but under the supervision of an intelligent computer operator or accountant who knows the basic accounting principle, concept, conventions, on the basis of which the transactions being recorded. And see here, to the finalization of the account, that the output which also to be given through the computer, various types of the reports, various types of the conclusions, various types of the statements. So this way, the important steps to be followed in the computerized financial accounting. I will continue in my next video relating to the accounting software.